Welcome back to Cooking with Christina. Today I have Alex here with me.
Hi.
And Camila.
Hi.
And we are going to be showing you how to make ice cream in a bag.
I'm really excited for this because ice cream is my all-time favorite dessert.
I love ice cream too. So Camila, we are going to need half a cup, a measuring cup, a tablespoon, a quarter teaspoon, a dish towel or any kind of towel will do, and 2 pint-sized bags, or they can be, these are actually quart size. If you have pint size is fine, but bigger than a sandwich Ziploc bag, and a large gallon size Ziploc bag.
All right, so for our ingredients, we're gonna need half and half, sugar, vanilla, and we have kosher salt, but you can use rock salt as well.
And lots of ice. So as Alex said, you can use really any salt that you want or that you have in your house. We're going to be using kosher salt today. The best salt to use would probably be some sort of rock salt, but even table salt is fine. So you guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So the first thing is we're going to take our pint-sized bags, or these are quart size. We have 2 of them, and we're just going to put one inside of the other, just to prevent any leaks from happening.
Probably a good idea.
Yeah, and if you have some younger children, you might want to use a bowl, or in this case, I'm going to be using this measuring cup, just to put the bags inside, so there isn't any other leaks happening. All right, so the first thing you're going to put in your bag is your half and half, and we've actually already measured the half and half. So this is half a cup of half and half. So that's going to go inside the bag. Excellent. And just like this. And then we're going to put in the vanilla.
Candy?
So Alex is going to, oh, okay, that's fine. Candy's going to put in the vanilla.
Careful.
Yes. And that was half a teaspoon of vanilla. Actually, make sure to just put in a quarter teaspoon of vanilla, not half. And then we're going to put in 1 tablespoon of sugar, which again, we've already measured out. So inside of our bag. Excellent. And then we are going to make sure to seal both bags. So I'm going to be sealing my inner bag real tight so no air gets in. And then I'm going to seal on top of that. So it's inside here and making sure that it doesn't spill or fall or get any holes in it. I'm going to seal my other bag. All right. So all the stuff that's in this bag right now looks like a liquid, right? Can you guys feel that? Squish it all up in there.
Squishy, squishy, squishy.
And it's going to turn a little bit more solid, like ice cream. So how are we going to do that? We're actually going to take our gallon-sized bag and we're going to fill it halfway up with ice. So,
Which, like we said, there was a lot of ice because this is big.
right. So we're going to open up our bag here. Cammy and I are going to hold this while Alex pours the ice in and making sure that it goes about halfway up. There we go. Probably pour all of that in there. Perfect. All right, so now we have the ice, but that's not enough. Inside of our bag, we're going to need to put some sort of salt, which we mentioned earlier, which are kosher salt. But again, you can use rock salt. There's even ice cream salt out there, or table salt. This kosher salt will work just fine. And you need 6 tablespoons of the kosher salt, which again, we've already measured out. So we're going to pour that in there. Excellent. All right, so now we have our bag all filled up. I'm just going to shake it a little bit, and then we're going to put in our mixture that we made earlier. So Cammie, do you want to go ahead and put that in there?
Sure.
Excellent. And we're going to make sure that this is all sealed up because you don't want any ice flying around, any vanilla, any sugar. So we're going to seal it all up. Make sure there's not too much air in there. All right, you guys want to check if it's sealed?
Testing, 1, 2, 3.
And then what we're going to do is we're going to shake this bag for 10 minutes.
Oh wow, that's a long time.
Yes. And the dish towel is really just to protect your hands because it does get cold. But if you have gloves, like winter gloves, those would work just fine. So I'm just going to wrap my bag up with my towel, and I'm just going to shake. And Cammie's going to shake it. It does get cold, right? You want to use a dish towel?
Yeah.
Shake it. And we're going to just do this for 10 minutes and then see what happens. Okay, now that we have finished shaking our ice cream, let's see how it turned out.
Oh, this is my favorite part. That was mine.
Okay, so we're going to take out this bag. You don't need the ice anymore. Just make sure it doesn't spill out. And let's see how it turned out. So here is our bag of ice cream.
Vanilla ice cream, it looks like.
It is vanilla ice cream. And voila, we have ice cream in a bag. By shaking the bag of ice and salt, the ice began melting quickly and absorbed heat from our bag of cream mixture, allowing us to quickly freeze our yummy treat. Let's see, we're going to open it up, take your ice cream scooper, and
Actually, it looks like ice cream. Yeah, I'm really surprised.
a little ice cream for you, and a little ice cream for Alex. All right, why don't you guys try it and see?
3, 2, 1. Yeah. This tastes exactly like vanilla ice cream. It tastes so good.
It is vanilla ice cream, and you can put as many toppings as you want on here, right? You could put your sprinkles, or you could put chocolate syrup, or caramel syrup, or strawberries, marshmallows, gummies, whatever.
I put everything.
So I hope you enjoy making your ice cream in a bag, and that you have a great summer. Bye-bye.